This is how to hit the backhand reverse slice trick shot. Subscribe to our YouTube membership.
Start from the curse on you.
First, we're going to show you the footwork on how to hit the shot. Now for footwork position, we start shoulder width with our right foot or dominant hand foot slightly forward, staying on the balls of our feet with our knees slightly bent. Now when the shot comes, we're going to push off with our right foot, okay? Do a 1, 2, and then we go into our lunge with our heel, making sure our knee doesn't go past, okay? So now we're here in our lunge. We don't want to lunge too low. We want to get it so we have the highest possible contact point. So after we hit on our contact point, we're going to turn our footwork back, push off, and then just walk back to our center, and that will be the footwork for the backhand reverse slice draw. So our swing is going to be, we're going to extend our racket. Imagine a straight arm behind us. Then from here, we're going to lead out with our elbow. Now because this shot, we want a high contact point, we're going to be leading our elbow high instead of low like a defensive shot. So we lead our elbow high. And then once we come up here, we're going to be using our wrist and fingers to hit the shot, okay? So like a typical backhand, you come out with your elbow high, wrist and fingers, you flip it to hit your backhand shot, and then you come back. The grip for our backhand shot, we're gonna start in our standard neutral, and then just slightly from here, we're going to be turning our racket inwards a little bit. That means to our right, our racket face, because if we kept it in the standard neutral, then when we hit it outwards, it would be going to the left side and outside of the court. So we wanna make sure to turn our grip inwards. So before we hit this backhand reverse slice drop, we're gonna first have to hit some clears and hit some cross-court drop shots, because this shot is going to be a combination of those two. Now to put it all together, we're going to combine first our cross-court drop shot. So that's going to the cross swing. And then at the last second, imagine we're going to the straight clear. So we'll be flipping our racket so that we're slicing it this way around the bird. And that's going to cause a reverse backhand slice drop shot.
You didn't join our YouTube memberships.